And don't ask what that was about, Angelina.
What?
I am recording a video. Were you watching me? Where did you find that at? Grr. Also, my fox ears are in my backpack, so yeah. When my friends ask, do you get judged by your tails and stuff and ears? And I said, no, it's normal. Anyways, hello everybody. I barely just got out of school. Isn't that nice? Now I must teleport to the car. See you. Hooray, I have made it to this car by teleporting. Okay. Oh. Okay. I have to go away again. See you later. Okay, so I'm currently back and my cousin is being weird. Time to film. No one wants to look at your head. Stop. Well, that's not funny. What the heck are you doing? 356-8545 y regístrate. Habrá premio de $200 a la mejor salsa. Gracias a Family Health que van a llevar regalos. Telemundo 51 también va a tener regalos. Y Gold Monday Casino con regalos. Diré Campeón Lending, una televisión de pantalla plana, el reventón en clave Fortin, bicicletas, joyerías Calixto, con premios, Fager, Auro Center también, mercados y carnicerías Guadalajara. Okay, you're not doing anything, Marnie. Y la playita Auroceo, claro, por allá. Los esperamos, mi gente, porque se va a poner chineta. Cuatro espadas se llama, vamos a... As we drive by the wild places, y puro Sinaloa el vato, there's trees, and there's like... Papa, stop. Papa. Anyways, I'm being annoyed. We're at a weird place. Wow, I've never been here before. Not in a million years. I can't go? Alrighty, fine. Sniff. Little Caesars, deep dish. Little Caesars. What am I doing with my life? Oh, hey, there's my dad. Grandpa saying, I don't know. Granddad, I don't know. All I know is that I'm in a car. We're at Pizza Caesars are. I mean, Tordex Tom's. Yeah, we're at Tordex Tom's. Now shut up. I will have to teleport away. I will have to. Wait, this is Matt's place?
Yes.
Matt lives here?
Yes, it's all orange.
Little Matsies. Oh my god, you're right. Little Matties. Ed's World is everywhere now.
Oh no, someone parked by us.
Uh-oh, time to start. I'm gonna teleport away. See ya. I am currently back and we have Little Matsie's Pizza. Yeah, I gotta go again. Yeah. We are currently back from Little Matsie's. Anyways. There are kids walking home. There's a daycare. How beautiful. Whoa, look, houses. More houses. Trailer park, boy. Oh. There's like trailers and stuff. Cars. Dentist. I think we passed that already, anyways. PJ Express Mart. PJ Eagles Paper Jam. Undertale references, no? No, it's... Oh my god, Angelina.
it's PJs. That means Paper Jams. Paper Jam has her own restaurant, or not restaurant. Shut up. I am currently home right now. Oh wow. I'm walking through my house. Walking to my house. Oh my god, the door's shut. Oh wow. I'll see the light. Ooh, cold air. Oh, I can see your shirt. Shut the door, lock it on Dad.
Hey, Kitty, put the pizza on the table.
Gosh, you weirdo. Anyways, time to go on the Mino. No, I didn't. Alrighty, now let's check what's on Amino. I've been told you. I don't know, just do the password. Password, oh my god. Alright, back. Hey. Everything turned off. Oh my god. Gotta get rid of everything. Some Roblox, and I have to leave. So I hope you enjoyed this very awkward, not fun video. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. So see y'all.